Hi everyone, it's Kino here, and welcome to this morning yoga feel-good flow practice. And I want to focus today on strength so that you can start your day off with a powerful mindset that will set you up for success throughout your whole day. So let's come to a comfortable seated position, close the eyes. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Let's get started on the hands and knees. So I like your hands to be shoulder width apart, your knees hips width apart. Let's say hello to cat and cow to get a little mobility going through the whole body. Inhale, extend the spine. A long, deep breath in. Exhale, round. Let's tuck all the way under. Inhale, extend a long, deep breath in. Exhale, round and under. One more time. Inhale again, extend a big breath in. Exhale all the way under. Good job. Now let's take a breath and come on back to neutral. Let's draw the knees in towards each other, and we're going to start off with the plank pose. So I'd like you to curl the toes under, activate the muscles of the lower abdomen, and then inhale, come up to plank. Let's do plank for 5 breaths. So we have 1, 2, keep the navel in, deep breathing. 3, you can even activate the glutes, try to pitch it a little forward. 4, 5, let's sink the knees down. Let's say hello to chaturanga with the knees down. So exhale, I want you to bend your elbows. Let's hold that for a couple breaths. We're going to get those shoulder blades down the back and hold it for 1, 2, the navel is in. 3, almost there. 4, 5, let's put the chest on the ground, and now we'll move into upward facing dog. So roll the shoulder blades down the back, pivot forward, and gaze at the nose tip. And then exhale, downward facing dog. You can walk the feet in. Your feet going to be about hips width apart. Let's just take a moment, release the neck, give a sway from side to side. 5 breaths. 1, 2, steady breathing. 3, 4, almost there. 5, let's switch the gaze forward and inhale, let's step that right foot forward. Come up onto your fingertips. Exhale, sink the left knee down. Then inhale again, hands to the waist. Now, we're gonna work a little strength in the legs. So I want you to inhale, lift the left knee back and up. Exhale, we set it down. 3 more times. Inhale, left leg back and up. Exhale, set it down. Last one. Inhale, back and up. Hold it there, and then let's sink that heel down and raise the arms. Good. Powerful warrior for 1, 2, good job. 3, you got this. 4, don't give up. Feel the strength of the legs. 5, exhale. Take both hands down. Let's spin the left foot forward. Press into the left hand, and then inhale all the way over. Side plank. 1, 2, if it's too much, you sink that left knee down. 3, 4, almost there. 5, switch your gaze down. Let's flatten that right hand down and come on down. Show me plank again. Good job. Find your plank. 2 more breaths. Good. Exhale, chaturanga. You need the knees down, put them down. Inhale, upward facing. Remember, no competition, just build the strength slowly. Exhale, downward facing. You can walk the feet in, keep it stable. Good. Let's gaze forward and inhale, step that left foot forward. Come onto the fingertips. Exhale, right knee down. Inhale again, let's bring it up, hands to the waist. All right, ready? This really activates the legs. Inhale, back and up. Exhale, put it down. How about 2 more? Inhale, back and up. Exhale, down. How about last one? Inhale, back and up, and then give me that external rotation. Good job. The arms are up. Powerful warrior. Yes, that left leg is burning. Me too. 1, say yes to it. Don't run away from it. 2, I'm going to take it up a notch, palms into each other, gaze at the thumbs. 3, if it's too much, return to gazing forward. 4, you're almost there. 5, exhale, we take it down. Spin that right foot forward, then all the way over to the side, and let's find your side plank. Excellent. 1, 2, use the internal obliques, the transverse abdominals to hold the torso. 3, 4, don't give up. 5, exhale. Take the left hand down, bring it forward. Show me plank again, good job. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, let's take it up to upward facing. Exhale, bring it back to downward facing. Switch the gaze forward, press into the shoulders, cross. Exhale, sit down. Get the blocks out. We're gonna work a little block action, a little some lift up work. So let's put the blocks here. Then point your feet, hold underneath the knees, and let's just swing it up to a supported Navasana. Good, and kind of feel that round, balancy sensation in the pelvis for 1, 2, good. Really use the support to train the muscles. So this is not a rest, this is working with intelligence and connection to the body for 4. Let's do 1 more. 5, now cross, right shin bone over the left, hands on the blocks, inhale, hips back and up. Exhale, set it down, hold underneath the knees, and this time, perhaps we straighten. 1, we can switch to the ankles. 2, look up at the toes, believe in the toes. 3, believe in yourself. 2, 4, almost there. 5, change your cross, left leg over the right. Inhale, hips back and up. Exhale, let's set it down. Again, this time maybe no hold. 1, you can go back to the first option. It's your practice. Just build the strength slowly. 2, 3, 4, almost there. Last one, 5, cross, hands on the blocks. We're gonna hold this lift up for 5 breaths. Inhale, hips back and up, and maybe the feet. 1, 2, 3, don't give up. 4, almost there. 5, exhale, we set it down. Good job. Let's move those blocks over to the side. Hide the feet underneath you. Roll forward. Inhale, back to plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. From downward facing dog, I want to explore dolphin. So let's put those elbows down. All right, bring your feet together. Some of you are going to get the flexibility challenge in dolphin, which is totally okay. But eventually we want to get the strength challenge in dolphin. So you're going to gaze between the forearms and pivot the shoulders forward. Excellent. 1, for those of you that have the flexibility, I want you to engage your lower abdominal muscles onto the tips of the toes. 2, that's it, keep working. 3, almost there. 4, last one. 5, step it back to dolphin plank. Give me 5 more breaths. 1, 2, this is a little easier to get that forward action. 3, 4, don't give up. This is gonna be endurance. You're not gonna like what comes next, but I promise it's good for you. 5, walk it back up to dolphin. 1, 2, keep it pivoted forward. 3, almost there. 4, 5, back to your dolphin plank. Knees down, straighten the arms and inhale, plank. Nice. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing. Exhale, downward facing. All right, let's sink the knees down. Take the arms forward. We're gonna take puppy pose, release through the shoulders. We can place the forehead down, or we can place the chest down. 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, good, keep breathing. 4, almost there. 5, swing it forward, cobra position. This is good. We work that powerful peak of strength, and then now just a little softness to integrate everything. 2, 3, 4, legs are a little activated. 5, let's soften all the way down, drop the right shoulder inside. Let's just gently spin the body around. Lie down, constructive rest position. So when you take constructive rest, the knees spiral in towards each other. The sacrum is on the ground. Feel your breath, feel the body. Let's go for a deep breath in. And bring both knees over to the right side and just drape your arms to the left. Good, we'll stay a couple breaths. Feel how the skeletal structure just gently pulls on the muscles, on the tendons, on the connective tissue, the fascia. Feel how the muscles and the fascia, they give after a little while. 2 more breaths. Last breath. And back to the center. Drape the knees to the other side and drape the arms over. So this is just kind of like an effortless fall that slowly uses gravity to pull on the skeletal structure and create a sense of elongation and release. 3 more breaths. Notice the difference from one side to the other. Let's do 2 more breaths. And the last breath. Let's bring it back to the center. Constructive rest again for a moment. Just equalize the sacrum. Then let's let the legs fall as we straighten the arms and legs. A moment of rest. Since our focus today was on strength, I'd like you to reflect on what the journey of strength means for you. Was there a peak of intensity, a challenge that you faced with courage, with bravery? Or is strength more quiet for you? What is that lesson? Keeping a connection to your breath, your body, your mind. Then allow yourself to reawaken your hands, your feet, your arms and legs. You can find the way to bend the knees and the elbows and back to constructive rest. We'll draw the knees up into the chest, giving yourself a little squeeze in, thanking the body for the opportunity, for the practice. Exhale, roll over onto the side. And then inhale, we'll come all the way up. Take a moment and stabilize. Feel the connection again to breath, body, and mind. Feel the goodness that's within you, the inherent strength that resides within. Hands come into prayer position. A long, deep breath in. As you exhale, softly open the eyes. Thank you so much for joining me on this practice. May be happy, may be peaceful, may be filled with love.